and welcome to Alpha One. In this video we will run BinBotPro, a free binary option robot that trades completely automatically for you. You can too, you find link below the video. This is a challenge where we're going from $250 to $100,000. In the last video we did past 10,000, so we are getting there slow and steady. So let's see how we do today. And just like that, we made, there you can see there, $611 in matter of 7 minutes. So once again, we did good with BinBotPro. We are building up to 100,000. This go faster and faster. So if you like this type of videos, make sure to push the subscribe button and the like button. And if you have any question at all, leave it below the video. And sorry if you looks like I'm looking a little there. I'm actually looking to the screen. It's just the camera that is in a little odd position. So if I go to look the camera, I don't look the screen. So so it's a little, that's why it looks like I'm looking that direction. It's all good, all good. So with that, like I said, it's, of course, like I said in the start of the video, do you want this robot? Link below the video. Sorry for that. I don't edit my videos. I want it to be so pure as possible, because I feel there are so many YouTubers that are editing and they're removing parts just to make it look nice and so fluid, you know. They don't want to show bad things. They don't want to show these parts. I show everything because I want it to be as genuine as possible. So when I do something on my channel, it's genuine. I at least do my best so you can have the best experience. So it's more like you're sitting home doing it yourself. Because to edit a video, make it super nice, then you're also covering all the bad stuff. I don't do that. Everything you see on my channel is pure. So I want to keep it that way also. That's why, yes, I can take my time, edit, make it nice, but then also I feel you are removing some of the pure things. So don't look, so when you start to use something, but why it's not working the same for me? It's because it's not pure for them. So I try to do it so pure, so everything you see here will look the same for you. Okay? So with that, have a perfect